this is the first time the government in the policy they have announced that there will be a separate holding company for take care of the infusion. At least this year they have earmarked 15,888 crores that will be mopped by the company. That will take care at least the load of the banks, and we were always left with the directions how to keep, whether the government will allow, and here the company is being set up and it is going to hold 50% of the stake of the whole banking sector. That will go a long way. And again this year, even the rate of interest for the savings also up to 10,000 is going to be benefit to the customers. That is also been taken. Even though there have been a lot of criticism about the budget, I think no time, nowhere we would have been acclaiming the whole budget. But this year it has been the critical year. Next year again the poll year and the election. This year just the election is over. The critical period it has come, but I feel this budget has taken care of all the things which has gone into the very conservative way of doing the finance. So that conservatism and the ethical way of Indian budget system has come into the way, and we have shown to the world that India is India, we are superior to all, and this is the way they have taken it. Let us hope for the best. Definitely India has the distinction of proving better, and the banking sector is going to get the best.